Good afternoon, everyone. I am Science M. Villanueva, grade 4 science class from group 3. Today, I am going to discuss touch and magnetize. Material number 1, paper. Non-magnetize. Material number 2, paper clip. Magnetize. Material number 3, pencil. Non-magnetize. Material number 4, eraser. Non-magnetize. Material number 5, staple wires. Magnetize. Material number 6, nails. Magnetize. Material number 7, coin. Magnetize. Material number 8, thumbtacks. Magnetize. Material number 9, tin can. Magnetize. Material number 10, aluminum foil. Non-magnetize. Material number 11, plastic spoon. Non-magnetize. Material attracted by magnet. Paper clip, staple wires, nail, coin, thumbtack, and tin can. Materials not attracted by magnet. Paper, pencil, eraser, aluminum foil, and plastic spoon. Guide question number 1. Based on my observation, what property or characteristic is common to all materials attracted by magnets? Based on my observation, materials attracted by magnet property are iron and nickel, and characteristic of them are all hard metal. Guide question number 2. What is similar among those materials are not attracted by magnets? The similarities among those materials not attracted by magnets are made on non-metal and soft metal materials. Guide question number 3. Aside from materials you have tested in this activity, what other objects can be attracted by a magnet? The other objects can be attracted by a magnet are needles, keys, screwdrivers.